Hey everybody, this is Ardell Joseph of Ardell Joseph Wealth Coaching. Guys, I'm super excited. I'm super pumped up. Today was a monumental day in the financial markets. And while there are so many shorts out there, and what a short is, that's basically one side of the market that's betting that maybe the economy is failing. We're going to have interest rates spiraling out of control. And today I saw we made some new fresh highs. Now, what I have on the screen this evening basically is a chart of the euro US versus the US dollar. And as you can see down here at the bottom where my mouse is pointing, this is basically the lows of last year, around about October the 22nd, a couple days before my birthday. We made a major low. In fact, we had parity between the euro and the US dollar. This is when the market made a significant reversal in the Forex space, meaning that the US dollar finally began to find some level of resistance, some weakness. And then the big banks poured into the euro and started buying. So we've been having the typical ebbs and flow. You can see the Fibonacci sequence. So guys, I'm here this evening to talk about the Forex market, the largest financial market in the world. This is the market where the banks go with our money and they put our money in this market for this market to operate, to bring returns for them. And guess what? They basically give us peanuts. We put our money in the banks and we get peanuts. But if you were able to learn that skill set, or to be able to operate or partner up with others who understand the markets and know about that skill set, you too will also be benefiting from this large, most liquid market in the world. Cryptocurrencies, gold, all of these different asset classes are traded in the Forex market. So I'm going to jump down quickly to one other chart. And this chart here is the chart of the NASDAQ. See what I'm saying, guys? I'm going to actually zoom in to this chart. Now, before I zoom in, you can see the curvature on this chart. These are the different lines that I use to basically track the movement in the chart. And we had what's called here a triple bottom, guys. Over here on the left-hand side, October 2022, the market started, October 2021, the market started to peak out. And then all of a sudden last year, we met the lows, bounced off of those lows, made a double bottom, and again retested that bottom. And as of January of this year, 2023, we've seen an upward trajectory in the NASDAQ. Guys, last year you had companies like Facebook. They've been down almost 70%. Look at Facebook. Go and look at the charts for yourself. Facebook is up 200%. But the average individual does not know how to trade the markets. Everything is now being traded in the Forex market, and that's the reason why we're here to introduce a new concept, a new company called Verse Networks. And Verse Network, what Verse Network is going to do for you is actually put your Forex game into automation, ladies and gentlemen. So today there was a big day on Wall Street. A lot of people made money. I made some money. In fact, I've been consistently profiting from the beginning of this year using my trading strategy, but not everybody have that education, ladies and gentlemen. So tonight I'm going to talk about Verse Network. Verse Network is actually a company that operates in the Forex space. They have trader partnerships. They have trading software tools. They're using AI, artificial intelligence, bots to trade in the market on your behalf, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm going to do here now is go ahead and turn off my video, move myself out of the way, and I'm going to get right into this information. Now, before I get into the information, ladies and gentlemen, I want to have a disclaimer. The information presented in this presentation is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be interpreted as a financial advice and should not be considered as such. It is important to note that results may vary from person to person and will depend on your own capacity, experience, expertise, and motivation as an entrepreneur. Each user is responsible for complying with all applicable laws and regulations in their jurisdiction before accessing the information presented here. It is strongly advised not to take out loans to invest in a business or the market. it is also crucial to never invest money that you cannot afford to part ways with. Guys, I'm going to tell you, this Forex space is a very lucrative space, but you got to learn the space. And while you're learning the space, in the Forex space, that is, here is this company that came along that's going to be able to help you to grow your money hands-free. The Forex market stands out for its impressive size and unparalleled liquidity. Actually, it represents the largest financial market in the world. $7.5 trillion, ladies and gentlemen, $7.5 trillion as of 2022. It has exceptional liquidity. That means there's a lot of cash that's moving through it. There's crypto, there's oil, there's gold, all the currencies of the world, like the South African rand. In the past, you had the Italian lira, the Russian ruble. Guys, it's the largest market in the world, and you have to be a participant. The banks are the ones that move this market 5 days a week. The market is in operation Monday to Friday. And here with Verse Network, guys, we can take full advantage. Now, the company basically specializes in financial education and automated trading, providing the members with comprehensive training and powerful tools to maximize returns in the financial market. And you don't even need to know how to trade, guys. The company basically will be able to show you how you can get involved, and be in an automated mode. The team consists of a group of experts passionate about finance, trading, artificial intelligence, computer programming, software development, and digital marketing. The company, guys, is headquartered and its trade office are based out of Dubai. The company also has a registration in Cyprus. All right. Now, here are the founders of this company. Young, energetic young men, right? These guys, Bryce Van den Bush, it's a Dutch name. He's from Belgium. And I've had the pleasure and opportunity to speak with Bryce a couple of days ago. Once I saw the opportunity, me being a Forex trader, I've decided, you know what? Let me try to connect with this guy. He's very approachable. You can, meet him up on Facebook. He's been a public figure for quite some time. And here's also Joseph Pellant, who is his business partner. Now, Bryce Van den Bush, successful entrepreneur with over 15 years of experience in the network marketing field. That's where he started. But just to summarize, guys, this guy, he's made millions of dollars in the network marketing space, but there have been so many companies that came along, they'll do the rug pull, you have, these CEOs or presidents of these companies, the company may last 3 months, it may last 6 months, and then, they take the money and they run. He got tired of this. And since 2018, he spent all of these years since then researching, honing his skill in the Forex market space. And finally, he's been able to get in touch with 3 really powerful trade houses, proven traders with proven success that can be seen on MyFX book. And that's where the concept for this company actually came about, guys. Very, very powerful story. And Joseph Pellant, also a former network marketer. They both have gone on to make millions, and they've decided to join forces together and really become a successful team for the masses around the world in the network marketing space, but also those who want to benefit from the Forex market. So here are the top traders that the company have partnered up with. We have the automated trading team, and we have our trading educational team, Stefan Burkhardt. Now, I've seen an interview with Stefan. Stefan is a German. He's headquartered out of Germany, the head trader and the CTO of Spring Techno in Germany, 20 plus years of experience in the trading and software development space, just like me. I'm an IT guy with a degree in computer science, so I understand what quantitative analysis is. I understand how they can use software to be able to track the Fibonacci sequences and the Bollinger Band theories and so forth, and be able to have consistent, profitable trades. Now, what I personally have in my possession are the username and password of Versus trading account. They don't have a problem giving you a view-only trading account credential, so you can actually daily be able to track the trading results of Stefan Burkhardt's team. Guys, I'm telling you, it's been about a month We're talking about roughly $1 million that was infused into the account. You can see the deposit being made, and you're seeing all of these trades. Like I started out showing you the charts, and I show you the euro, and I showed you also on the indices side with the NASDAQ, and of course I could have showed you the US 30 and S&P 500. Now, guess what, guys? We're able to see for free, actually. If you're a trader and you're established, you can have access to this information where you can go on and actually mirror trade the same actual pairs that these guys are trading. That's how powerful this is. This is how confident these guys are. And guys, I'm telling you, you're looking at 1 month, profitable. 3 weeks, profitable. Since last week, profitable. And today when I woke up, I said, let me check to see how these guys, how the software is doing on the daily. And I'm telling you, the software on the daily is actually performing well. They also have an institutional trader. Then there's Mark Owen, managing director and head trader out of the UK, and Sadiq Mahood, founder and lead trader of Invest Tribe, and he's out of Southeast Asia. And I had the pleasure of being able to see some of his work. And this guy is very energetic, but he took a number of years to actually hone his trading skill. And yeah, I love trading. I'm passionate about it. So when I, get to connect with other traders, I'm just actually excited. Now, in terms of the company has some very meaningful products, but this is not really how you're going to make tremendous money with this opportunity. These products are here to help you to hone your skill in the early phases and be able to allow the system to, in essence, trade on your behalf. But now you're going to be able to have the opportunity to get an Invest Tribe package. These are video tutorials, trading on M15, that's just a 15-minute candlesticks pattern, basics of Forex trading, understanding moving averages, learn different types of orders, platform customization. You're going to get all of that, guys, and discover the power of demand and supply in the market. That's a very powerful concept. That's where the banks actually move the market. Demand basically is an area in the market where buyers are accumulating, and then you have supply is in that area of the market where they're selling. And in the Forex market, you're going to make money as a buyer and a seller. You just need to be able to predict the direction, and that's what you get here at Verse Network, guys. So you have basic training package. You can learn fundamentals of Forex trading, PDF version and videos. We have VIP signals package. If you're in the Forex space, you want to be able to get those signals. So if you're trading an account for yourself, you can go in and out of these winning trades daily, trade and train. What you get here, guys, is to be able to participate in the watch list within a channel, YouTube, not a YouTube channel, that's actually going to be a Telegram channel where you can follow along the professional traders. And when they go into a trade, you'll be able to go in with them as well. Trade and Train live trading package. Now, this is huge. We're talking about the London session, guys. You're going to be able to trade with Mr. Mark Owen, guys. London session, I'm telling you, is going to be monumental. The results that we're going to hear coming out of Verse Network. Other services include the bot, automated software doing the trading for you. Next generation automated trading bot combined with artificial intelligence and machine learning. That's what we have Mr. Burkhardt in Germany for. He's a computer scientist and expert at what he does. Enhance and optimize the trading strategy of our partner traders, improves data and analysis, decision-making, order execution, and also help to manage the risk. Consistent, guys, profitable trades. All right, very, very powerful, guys. Here are some of the results with the Verse bot from our trading partner. In 2022, we've had winning trades in every single quarter, with quarter two being a very big quarter there. And here again in 2023, so far coming out of 2022, and we are doing very, very well in the market. Like I told you, that the trading account is looking pretty good. Now, in terms of transparency, guys, this is an audited set of trades and traders. You have brokers that they interact with. The broker that I'm currently following is the Mag Markets broker, very popular broker out of Europe. And guys, my FX book is where where you're going to be able to track the audited trades, guys. VerseBot is tracked, audited, and authenticated by a third party called My FX Book, an independent website that allows you to follow the results live. Statistics and risk standards of the different trading software. This ensures that our products represent the true performance that is being displayed. So as you're seeing here, guys, this is a true growth chart. I've seen Mr. Burkhardt speak about this, where you have micro trading that's happening, and you may have some losing trades today, maybe some losing trades tomorrow, but the trajectory of the trades, hence the account, continues to grow from lower left to upper right. Multiple sources of income for the company, meaning that this company is not one of those fly-by-nights. We're looking at potentially a very long-term run for them to get through whatever phase that they have decided for 5 years or 10 years, and then they can move and expand into something larger. But we're not talking about a company that's going to be here today and gone tomorrow. So you have sales of training packages, sales of software licenses, financial trading, brokers commission. These are all, guys, sources of income for the company outside of us participating with the company. So the company has a really strong and robust business model. So what is the real opportunity for you? And this opportunity is multi-tiered opportunity. As a matter of fact, I'm going to come right back in here on the video because I really want you to take a good look at these packages. All right. Now, the packages that we have here are, you can purchase a training package and learn how to trade Forex and become a skilled financial trader. You have the basic training package, $250, Invest Tribe package, $500, Trade and Train package, which I explained earlier, $500. And here you have a Trade and Train live trading package, especially for those who are quasi-pro in the market. You want to trade alongside the professionals. You get this package for $1,500. And then the VIP signals package, $500. Guess what, guys? For the small investor coming in, you don't even have to concern yourself about these packages. If you just want to put your money to work, then you can focus on the licenses. And that's what we have here. You can just purchase a software license, and gain access to automated trading robots that you can use on your personal trading account. And then there's reward bonus. This is definitely the first phase of the company, where right now they are sharing some of the profits with the investor community. So by purchasing a software license, in addition to being able to connect to the robots to your personal trading account with one of our partner brokers, you also have access to the promotional bonus. That's the launch bonus since the company has launched. So there's a rewards program, and I look into my account. I funded my package about a week ago, and I've seen these daily rewards anywhere from on a daily basis up to about 0.75% on the daily. Also on the weekly, that's 3.75, monthly, roughly about 15%, up to 15%. Rewards bonus, you receive a percentage of the global turnover generated by the sale of training courses, software licenses, performance fees, and the broker commission, guys. This is very, very strong. Now, you're coming in, you're saying, you know what? I don't want any software on my phone. I don't want any software on my computer. I just want to participate. I want to put some money in, and I want to see that money work for me. This is where you get the opportunity to have the software license. For as little as $50, guys, you can invest as little as $50 here at Verse Network, or as much as $10,000. And this is what you're expecting to get in terms of performance. If you put your money here with this company that's doing everything that we said it's going to do, that $50 becomes 125%, which is $62.50. That's where it maxes out. And I'll explain that because you can repurchase these licenses as they max out. So $100 will give you 150%, maxes out at 150 in terms of your profits. And you have a $250 that you can put in here, and you get 175%. So you're looking at $437.50. A $500 package will get you 200%. That's $1,000. And a $1,000 package will get you 225%. That's $2,250. A $2,500 package actually gets you up to 250%. And the $5,000 is 275%. $10,000 get you 300%. You're looking at $30,000, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very powerful. As a matter of fact, I was just testing the waters. I said, let me just do $500 in the ring. And I've already actually surpassed 100% return on that investment. And the reason for that is because the company not only gives you the opportunity to make money from the reward bonuses on the passive side, but there's also the active opportunity. And that's the reason why I'm here sharing this opportunity this evening so passionately, because there is a marketing plan associated with this company. 5 different ways, guys. 5 different ways this company allows you to get paid. There's direct bonus, there's team bonus, and this is not mandatory. This is should you decide that you want to share this newfound wealth plan with someone else, the company actually will reward you 5 different ways: team bonus, matching bonus, renewal bonus, and a career bonus, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very powerful. So let me take the next 5 minutes, and I'm going to actually drive through these bonus plans. So depending on your position, you'll receive a percentage based on the total sale volume. And I've seen when I've shared with a couple persons back home, in my native Caribbean, before coming to United States to live, I lived in Anguilla back in the Caribbean. So, I really have a passion for the people. I've traded and helped so many persons to get training in the trading arena. And I've been sharing this opportunity with them because now they don't have to bog themselves down trying to learn and, blow accounts. They can put some money to work and just let that money work for them. And that money will passively earn. Now, while you're sharing the opportunity, if you're talking about you just getting in the game and you're sharing, that's 4% that you're going to get. As a beginner, let's say you just made a $50 sale. That's 50 in volume. You're still going to be at 4%. Now, once your volume gets up to $250, meaning maybe someone came in with $300 package, guess what, guys? You right away have now given yourself a raise. You're going to be able to earn 5% on your entire volume of your team. So you're going to be a leader. Then with 500 in volume, 6%, manager, 7%, that's 1,000 in volume, director, 8%. And I mean, just within a week, with the interest level that's so high, I've been able to blow through the executive level here in this organization. So when I saw 9%, and today someone actually from Nigeria, my good buddy in Nigeria, who's been trading with me for years, and he decided, you know what? I want to do this automated thing. He's a pastor there in Nigeria, and he wants to get a bus for the church. And he said, okay, I'm going to put something in there. And I saw that 9%. In fact, you get a direct bonus, and then you also get the some additional team bonuses. I was able to get the direct bonus, and since it actually worked out for the team bonus, not only did I get 9%, but I also saw some other percentages roll through. We'll school you on the comp plan as you come on board. Now, next level would be the bronze level. That's 10K in volume. And I'm going to tell you here, just about a week, with this opportunity, the company right now has a promotional running. It just got started a couple of weeks ago, literally, and it ends in September. Now, from now until the 1st of September, the promotion says you can come over to Dubai, all expenses paid on us. Your whole team volume, 30K in volume. I've heard that there may be a stronger leg, a weaker leg, but I'm looking in the back office and I'm seeing that, wow, I'm tracking with the team volume, and it looks like when 30K is hit, then that volume qualifies, and all I need personally is to personally recommend those who will have about $3,000 worth of investments. So it's not a very difficult task to achieve. And I do believe that I'll be heading over to Dubai in October for the inaugural event for this company. You're going to have yacht rides in the desert, experience on the camelback riding, and all expenses paid. We're talking about flight, hotel, and everything else, guys. And the sweet spot here, I do believe, is the gold package. That's when you hit that 50K, you say, yes, I'm there. That's 12%. Everyone now that you personally recommend to the opportunity, you're going to be getting 12% off the top. And then there's platinum. And when you get to diamond, guys, diamond 250K, what I have noticed is that the company, and in another slide, they'll explain where from this point, there are some significant rewards beyond just 14%, 15, 16, up to 23%. There are going to be some serious prizes, all right? So then next is the direct bonus. Let's assume you're a verse legend at the top level and you do 23%. If there are others below you who are ranked up, and this is how the entire team gets to eat. Let's say, my good friend Jay is an ambassador and he is at, that level. He deserves to get that 21%. So I'll get the extra spillover from that 2%. Maybe I have a triple diamond with me. He gets it 16%. So me at 23% is either I'm doing it personally or I'm doing it with the team. So we get to share it together. But here, the Royal Crown, only 4% because he gets 19. And the silver, I'll get, you'll have this percentage pass through up to me. That's a way for the company to preserve itself, to ensure that there is longevity of the company. So you have all of these sales that's going on with the education, et cetera, but then you also have, the company for all investments. I'm understanding that they're doing a 40-60 split. So they're investing about 60% of the income that's coming in, making sure that the trading accounts are beefed up and they're using these trading strategies. And then 40% gets to be used for overhead, admin costs, and so forth. Now, another way in which we get paid are through the team bonuses. Very, very powerful. I've already seen this in operation. This is why I was able to double my account, and now I'm able to upgrade to a higher level package as opposed to upgrading from pocket. I'm able to upgrade from profit. All right. So this is you right here. This is the way the team bonus works. You may, have multiple legs, let's call it branches, because you may actually introduce 10, 15, 20 persons to the opportunity. Here, there's no need to do all the stacking like a binary, etc. You can just go ahead and do unilevel, let all your friends, colleagues, and loved ones come on board. And maybe through your brother or through your sister in that team, they may be 10,000 in volume. And then another team, maybe 5,000 in volume. So what the company does, they recognize the strongest team, could be one of 10, one of 3, doesn't matter. And they say the total volume of business generated by the weakest teams, those are the ones that's going to be considered for that team bonus. So here is the way we work it out from this example. 5,000 plus 7,000 gives 12,000. You times that by 10%. And guess what? On that particular day, you're able to get 1,200 in commission. Very, very powerful, because after a month, 2 months, 3 months, organically, I can see the teams growing for myself and others in the organization. And we can see how these commissions can actually build up over time. And then there's the matching bonus. I really like the matching bonus because this goes down to 10 levels deep. So you have the different deposits, 50 to 10,000. You have level 1 through level 10. And the way this works is, here at level 1, you're going to get a matching bonus of 5%. Level 2, 4%. 3 is 3%. Level 4, 3%. Level 5. So down to 10 levels deep. In addition to your fast start, in addition to all of your other bonuses from the team bonus, you're also getting a matching bonus, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you, on my package, which I consider to be small, because I've invested thousands other places, and you wait forever to see you turn and invest return on your investment. But here, I've been able to quickly see this money turn over, and it's because of the power of the matching bonus to multiple levels deep. And then there's a renewal bonus. This guy right here is the one that keeps the business going, I believe, for many, many years to come. And a member of the network reaches value of ×5 of their software license. That license expires. They then have the opportunity to purchase a new package. So here we encourage persons, you know what? You have 5 times your money. Why don't you just take half off the table, and maybe you can upgrade with half? Now, what I've done is I've tested the system from the first 48 hours. I said, let me make sure that this system works. I've been able to withdraw, all of my profits. And I've actually been able to help, some of the least fortunate. I have some team members in certain parts of the world who, really wanted something to work for them. And the way you do that is to, prove to them that you are confident in this. Why not sponsor them a package? I've been able to do that with some of my profits, and I'm very, very happy that I've been able to do that. So a 10K license here ×5 gets to 50K, and that's simply the way it works. And you can renew your license, take some of the table, and you can profit. I told you earlier, guys, that the career bonus, it has excited me. Here they say starting from the rank of diamond in old comp plan, it was called vice director. That's why they have it here. But once you hit the diamond rank, guys, and that's 125,000, your strong team, 125, and other teams, so all other teams combined. You start out by making sure you can communicate. You get that iPhone or iPad, your choice. But then double diamond gets the MacBook. The reward retreat for the triple diamond, that's going to be travel around the world to an exotic location. Then there's more luxury travel for the elite diamond with moving your volume to 1.25 million. And then you got the luxury watch at the crown diamond. BMW or Mercedes, once you get up there, guys, with the big boys live at the Royal Crown Diamond. This is not you doing it yourself. This is a team, and we're looking at longevity. So you can ride in style with your BMW or your Mercedes. And then you're looking at the Ferrari at the ambassadorial level. And ladies and gentlemen, $500,000. This is a $500,000, guys. When you become a verse legend, that means you have done so much business and you've been a leader with this company for some time. Maybe it took you a year, maybe it took you 2 years. Hey, what if it took you 3 years? You'll get a $500,000 payout, all right? So again, we do have a sustainability plan, software licenses, $50. It caps daily at 25. I've seen some persons ask me, why did I only make 25 today? Because your package is only 50. Once you upgrade to 50, now you can actually, once you upgrade to 100, you can earn up to 50 per day. So this is a long-term sustainable plan. So obviously, if you personally was able to generate more than 125 with a 250 package, the company gets to keep that extra. And that's also helping with the sustainability of the company to ensure that the comp plan does not destroy the company. So none of those big networkers with the huge networks and deep pockets can come over here and destroy this. We're talking about, Bryce, who's a veteran, starting in this game at 20 years old. He's now 35. So you're looking at 15 years. He's seen it all. And he's decided, we want to create a place and a space where everyone can call home. Very, very powerful, ladies and gentlemen. So basically, the size of the package, you'll be able to earn half daily. So here's some additional useful information. Deposits starting from as little as 10 USDT. So obviously, they're catering for persons all over the world. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, we are catering for you. You have a deposit wallet, allows you to purchase your license and services as a place where your deposits are recorded. You also have withdrawals processed within 24 hours. All deposits are in USDT TRC20, and you have a minimum withdrawal of 20 USDT TRC20. And there are no fees for deposits, transfers, or withdrawals. Of course, you may see a small little, dent, maybe a buck and a half for the network fees. You're on the Tron network there. All right. So transfer wallet enables you to make transfers from person to person. I've personally used some of my my earnings. I've been able to transfer and help some persons get on board. Actually, I may say to a person, hey, why don't you send me some PayPal money that I can go shopping with, and I'll just send you some of my profits back office to back office, and it works that way as well. So we have the cash wallet and we have a passive wallet where those passive earnings come in every single day. There is a phenomenal roadmap, guys. We are early days. We're literally right here at the beginning of the roadmap. Here on the 22nd of May, there was a pre-launch of the company. Just a couple weeks ago, the official office launch in Dubai took place, which is basically when I got on board, right? And then the launch initiative, that Dubai event, that's when it got started, all right, a couple of weeks ago. And it's going to run through to September the 1st. So I don't see why, literally everyone that's hearing about this right now, from me, shouldn't be able to get on board and get started, right? And then there's the official launch event in Dubai. That's what we're building up for right now. Again, the Forex market, the largest financial and most liquid market in the world. This is where all the action takes place every day on CNBC. You get to see what's happening in the markets. Markets are moving, and right now the markets are setting up at, reapproaching all-time highs. So guess what? We're going to see a lot of volatility, but you don't have to care about that. You come, you participate, and you take advantage of that volatility passively. Get you a package, $50. If that's where you get in, if that's where you fit in, then that's where you get in. If you want to do 500, that's where you fit in. That's where you get. If you want to do 10,000, that's where you fit in. That's where you get in. And there's a whole lot more that's happening next year. We'll talk about all of that as the company continue to move. Now, the most important thing that I believe is what sold me here is the concept of VerseIn. VerseIn is a social trading platform. These guys are so serious about what they're doing, and the same concept that they use to get the 3 major traders that they have right now, they've decided they're going to include us in the field. And what we can do is we can help to grow this network with other traders. So if I know somebody who's a real gangbusters trader, I can bring them into the ecosystem, and that person can get a deal. So just like the Airbnb model, and everyone stands to benefit. Airbnb, they own very few properties, but guess what? They make a lot of money off of properties all over the world. Uber with the car situation, and Amazon. That's how leverage works, guys. VerseIn. So we're talking about traders all over the world being able to trade and move these markets, and we all benefit from it. So there's a lot more to go with VerseIn. You can connect with us. We go through all of the details, all of the constant innovations that's happening, global expansion, all that's going on with VerseIn. Very, very exciting times here at Verse, guys. Very, very powerful. I want to thank you for your time. Again, this is Ardell Joseph from Ardell Joseph Wealth Coaching, and I will see you at the top. It really was my pleasure this evening to be able to bring this information to you. Bye-bye.